In this week's website builder, I'm going to show you how to change grid lines. And what you're going to have to do here is, let's say here we have in tools, we have grid lines. Okay, just make sure you enable grid lines first of all. And then, as you can see, when I'm trying to, let's say for a different page, for any kind of page, but let's say for this page, I don't have the option actually to change the grid lines. That's kind of the short answer, but a workaround that you can, instead of using grid lines, something I've been doing instead of using grid lines is actually use rulers, because on rulers here you can click on here and add your own rulers. Can move the rulers. I can move the rulers. I can right click, remove the vertical, remove the ruler, add the vertical, and as you can see now I have rulers here. So I don't have to use grid lines. I can use rulers, right? And don't worry, you don't have to remove them. You can just uncheck when you don't need rulers, and you can just enable back, and you're gonna have the rulers that you added here. So I hope you found this. I hope this clears things out. I hope you find this helpful. Subscribe for more and like this video. I'll really appreciate it. And also, if you have more suggestions about the Wix website, let me know in the comment section.